Hi Sang Cool, before we start cooking, I want to take you with me to get some groceries. And if you guys have any suggestions for what I should cook next, please comment below. Hi Sang, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry guys, I haven't made my new video for 2 weeks because I was so busy. I was celebrating my daddy's birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy! And I was sick, and then I was busy at school, and then here I am now. Let's cooking. Who wants to eat bananas? I won't, but instead of throwing away your overripe bananas, we can turn and make something delicious. So today, I'm going to make my banana bread in my Thermomix machine. And I love my Thermomix. And also, you can make everything in this machine. First of all, I'm going to mash my bananas. The eggs, and then I'll mix it 10 seconds. I'm going to add the plain flour in. In the recipe, it didn't say to put cinnamon, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of cinnamon because I just love the smell of cinnamon. The light wasn't good, so I moved here. Okay, back to the cooking. I'm going to mix it for 20 minutes with speed 4. Grease my loaf pan, and now I'm going to pour this into my loaf pan. My banana bread is ready to bake, and I'm going to put it in the oven for 50 minutes in 180 Celsius. The banana bread is ready. I'm so excited to eat it. Oh, it smells so good. My mom and I are having afternoon tea, and we have hot chocolate and banana bread. And I'm going to try my banana bread. Oh my gosh, this is just so good. It's better than in the shop. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.